how to add admins to your Facebook page. So first is you have to go to your Facebook application and log in your Facebook page. So on the upper right, you will see the three dash lines there. You click on that, and all you want to do is to scroll down until you see the professional dashboard here. So under the tools section, tap on page access, and here you will see three options such as people with Facebook access, people with task access, business accounts with access. So if you want to give someone the admin or the full power or the full takeover of the account, you want to give the person the same access that you have, then go to people with Facebook access and just tap on add new, and here you will see the Facebook access means. So just tap on next, and then you have to search for that person's name. So this is all what can that person manage. So just tap on allow this person to also have full access, and then tap on give access. The person that you've actually added as admin will get an email or a notification or an invite to be an admin to your Facebook page. So basically, that is how you add admins to your Facebook page. If it still doesn't work, make sure to check if you updated your Facebook application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.